Welcome to Tella and Ria. And today we just went to a place where it's a kids cafe, where a teacher comes and he made this. It's slime. It looks like slime outside too. And this we made. Even this. And our mom went shopping and we were alone, but we were fine. And it's like an art cafe. And there are samples, like stuff which one we can pick. And I picked this one, and we picked that one. Can't even see And so it's like first I did all purple, and then I made circles of white, and then pushed it like this, and then I made circles of pink and then put it here, and the bunny was kind of complicated. It was, and mine I was kind of slow, but it was fun. And don't forget to subscribe to Tella and Ria. Bye.